Oi, galera. Dá pra calar a boca? Ah, gente, esse barulho aqui, né? Então, parece uma moto. Eu vou jogar esse jogo aqui. Eu vou dar a construção criativa. Mas eu achei algo. Eu achei uma parte cega. Tá lá em cima. Eu tô aqui ó, no meu jogo e depois eu fiz uma escada rolante, mas tava muito estranho. Ó, eu tô lá construindo um modelo, ó, e eu fui aqui, ó, falou que era lavagem de carro e depois é lavagem de carro mesmo, ó. Aqui. Vai. Vai. Eu desci, olha. Aqui tem um... Olha, nossa, caramba. Esse é o meu hotel. Viu? Opa, outro 2 andares. E o andar. É um elevador. Do outro canto. Vai pro terceiro andar. O próximo é a piscina. Gente, o que é... Gente, o pessoal do... É algo estranho aqui. Olha aqui, é uma garagem de carro de novo. Onde que eu fico? Só no carro e depois... Tchau. Vamos entrar no carro. Carro. Olá, é uma escola aqui. Gente, tela aí?
Pumpkin pie. It's probably not as good as how grand you know, I want to oh my gosh, are you crying? Do you like it? It's okay, man. I'll make as many pies as you'd like, okay? You can run flesh ever again. So, what do you say?
Você só não forçam. Tava aqui. Ah.
Hey, what's up, fellas? Sorry to interrupt, but I'm gonna need those rods, please. All right, let's find this portal. Oh my gosh. We actually found the portal. What? No, it's right now. No, please. I have too much good stuff. Yeah, I think it was an accident. You don't have to go this far, man. Dude, seriously, it was just a misunderstanding. I don't think it was... Wait, this is getting crazy. Is that his family? You're gonna kill him in front of his family? You're a monster. Literally, killed that guy with no remorse whatsoever. It's time.
Hey, it's a gun. Can you switch from cow to human, whatever? Of course not. Why are you so cute and stupid sometimes? Or just kill a cow. I don't know what you're talking about.
sleep well. What's up? Do you guys hear singing? Yeah, dead. What is this? Who are you guys? Huh? Okay, that better be the last time. Oh my, what? See it? What are you doing? I'm trying to sleep, but there's a monster nearby.
I was always the monster.
What? Oh, Nighty. Whoa. I was kidding. Hey, dude. You know the most common block in Minecraft is air? I learned that from a Chess Guy video. Hey, shoot! I'm getting new friends to leave a crater, though. I'll just fill this top layer up. No one's gonna care anymore. No fuss, no muss. Guys, I can't sleep again. Look at this. There's some mob spawn underneath the crater. Holy, what is all this? Something? Bro, is this an entire restaurant? Oh, hello. Is these reserved for me? Oh, okay. Did you order for us already? Yeah, I must be.
You are delusional if you think crepes are better than cookies.
Crepes is so much better than your stupid cookies.
How dare you call them stupid?
Let's not forget, you buy your cookies from Costco.
That's it. I challenge you to a photo. And I wouldn't want to admit that cookies are better.
Fine, but when I win, you have to tell me that crepes are better.
Deal. We can all agree that cookies are the superior pastry, right?
Everything she said is a lie. She wants you to believe that her stupid Costco cookies are good.
Hey!
Whereas a delicious Nutella and banana crepe cannot be denied as the best dessert. Cookies! I made a floating machine. Alright guys, listen up. You see that mansion over there? We're taking it over. You guys with me? March my soldiers, march over. No, not like that. Try not to let people know it's here. Do it that. Well, it looks like no one heard us, okay? Guys, there's a door right here. Oh my gosh, 3 of them are already dead. We're starting to fight. Well, good thing I couldn't use the RPG at home today. You look over here. You guys ready? Alright, let's do this! What are you doing? Go, wait, guys, go!
Meow meow. Babado.
Are you okay? Hey, Charlie, you're keeping elves down here? Santa, get me out of here! Santa, you're... Jelly? Nice. Huh. You learn something new every day. Zombo! Santa for the zombie? Are you serious? I'll give you this one. Sorry, Zombo. Just take priority. Oh, nice shot. Actually, I'm pretty familiar with that one. Come on! Where'd you get that?
Don't be worried about the small details.
Izzy, what are you scheming?
We're gonna make the...
Yeah?
We're going to make the
Ultimate?
omelet, stupid.
What?
The dragon egg dog.
I really don't. Okay. So we're okay. What's first?
Grab the bowl, put the dragon egg in. Add a bit of this, and shove it into the oven.
Vai ter algo no Minecraft. Deixa eu clicar na frente que falou aqui. Não.
Sunshine, did you enjoy your nap? They call me Frank. And it's you, Missy, tried to go for one of my boys. Well, you put me on my job easy. I gotta take this. I want you supper in 5 minutes. Yeah, Mom? Yeah, we stopped up. Where did it go? I don't know. All up here is a chair. It's a barrel next to the door. Wait a minute. Don't speak like that.
It's Christmas! Daisy, it's time to open your gift from Santa. What are you doing? Is that Santa?
This is clearly an intruder.
That is not an intruder. It's Santa.
You still believe in
How did this even happen?
Well, I woke up to get the cookies, but I saw they were already being eaten by some guy from the chimney. Round to my garden.
You hit Santa? Right. Oh, where am I? I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened into it. I hope there's nothing the reason Daisy gets on the naughty list.
Daisy was already on the naughty list. Oh, didn't you know? Daisy has been on the naughty list for years.
Why?
Well, first off, cannibalism, as well as arson. Oh, let's not forget.
Daisy! Yes! Let's go. I can finally go mining and give up the farm. Oh, that's right. I want to go mining. But the statue. You know what? Here you go, man. We need some other idea. Well, let's farm it 3,000 more. I hate farming. Life doesn't even cooperate anymore. Wait, where are you? Wait, we can talk about this. Oh. Thank you. Wait, where are you going? What? Is this for me? Thank you. Well, I guess I am going mining today. color red. Hey, how hard can that be? Oh, apparently quite hard, so let's get this read. Excuse me, sir. We're also gonna need eggs, milk, what's this one? Whoa, oh look, sugar canes. Perfect. Huh? What's wrong with them? Huh? Maybe the ones over there?
Maybe not. Maybe.
Okay, now we need milk. Oh, there's a cow. Perfect timing. Oh, hey there, good sir. Oh, perfect, the chicken. Excuse me, sir. Could you be so kind as provide me with white chicken? Oh, my God! My name is Richard. They work on the delicious Minecraft. I think there's something wrong with my game. Okay. No, just kidding. But we did actually that. And now, I'm in line waiting to see if I go to the Aether or the Nether. And here's the issue. It appears that everyone in this line is someone I've murdered. And let's just say I have an empty phone. But I have a plan. And it just so happens that they're standing right in front of me.
Yes.
Oh,
You're passing. Pass them up, go on the right.
see, I told you this was
Hey, wait a minute. You're not passing them up.
Run, Daisy, run!
Get after that.
Freedom!
What's the best part about being human?
The fact that I can eat meat
Where did you get that?
from a mom's house.
You enjoy yourself?
Eat them, eat them. Let's try together. Finally, now let's eat. Here we go. Explain why it took you so long to draw a stick man.
I said it. I can't.
Can you swim? Of course I can.
Wait, you can't do it?
Great for defending, only if you're able to gain their trust. The arrow will follow you on your adventures, and will defend any position you drop your arrows in. However, they can be quite bloodthirsty. You must take them out for daily hunting. Otherwise, you might find yourself to be their next target.
Is that a sound? What is thing for sounding? Okay, oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, that's not a good sign either. Oh my gosh, what are they doing to these poor zombies down here? Oh my, oh, that's not good. What was that? Oh, that scared me. Oh, it's a zombie from before. Why are you suspended over this suspiciously big? Oh my, man, I wish I had a better accent. Huh? Who are you? What's inside the box? Oh, thank you. Oh, do you also have a, I really wish I had a better fit. Whoa, you again? And let me guess, there's something I need. How did you get this key? More of the way from one. Wait, I just realized. Why do I need this? I could really use that. Yes, I really need that. Hello? If only I had it. There's no way. I just have to use it. No shot. It's gonna be right behind you, won't it? I'm gonna beat you up.
A creature that she visits in the Minecraft world. They say they live underground, but stay close to the surface, fading and if you're lucky enough to catch them, keep going from a clumsy swindle, unlocking many things, such as dungeons that have been discovered below the failure outcomes. What secrets will you unlock with your new companion?
The color is this color. Oh no, guys, I spawned in the middle of the... Actually, it's quite nice. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna accidentally touch the color red. Better do something like... my only goal is to find some diamonds. Nether, right. Time to go to the nether. Man, I hope I don't touch the color red there. It actually would be... on the roof? Huh? Whoa, what's going on here? Oh my gosh, guys, a meat tree. This is perfect. I should have enough blocks to get up there. 12 seconds later. Almost there. Just keep waiting. A few moments later. There. Whoa. It went back! I didn't want to do this, but desperate times call for desperate measures. There's not a single tree around here anymore. Oh my gosh. The last sapling in the whole world. Crazy. I'm gonna train you to become the strongest tree ever. Come on, man. Run for that stone meal. Let's get 5 more minutes in. You can do it. Push it. You can do 2 more reps. Come on. Keep that form. Carry those branches up. Oh. Alright. I want to see 50 jumping jacks. Does that count? Oh,
Uou, que isso, mano? Eu subi aqui.
Alright, let's do this. We literally have the worst gear
Eu tô
on the
no...
server. But with the buff you guys provide with your music, we just might be able to
Eu
win.
vou... Eu vou dar do descer. Cadê ele? Desceu? Ah, desceu. Tô subindo.
I'm so sorry.
Abriu, baixou, vendeu. Quando eu abri meu salão, nunca precisei comprar maquininha. Eu já saí aceitando cartão com você.
In this video, 4 of us are hiding as mobs in this village in Minecraft. There's going to be a hunter, and they will have to hunt them down. Whoever wins the most amount of rounds wins. Oh, we got Oh, Sherry.
Ah,
Oh my God, my heart is so little.
morri.
I just realized something.
Pronto.
Another fun, Daisy.
Ui, 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 ui.
No? I'm surprised you didn't see this. Dizzy. Okay, you promise you won't kill me? I'll tell you we're Frank.
Eu morri.
nice to be like.
Kind of funny.
Frank, if you spare me a laugh, I'll tell you what they are.
That might be good. That might be a good option. Let's see.
And then I'm changing the game. I'm playing Manhunt.
Playing Manhunt?
Yeah. I think somebody got stuck in their own pit.
Okay, who put that pit there?
What do you mean? You used it last round.
Hey, you know, I just killed my own people.
Frank, I think, they're much closer than you think.
You're right. One down. Man, hey, that must mean you. Can I get a bow and arrow?
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna do that real quick.
Bro, you guys can't stay up there. It's not fair.
Okay.
Trade the parrot. Trade the parrot. Trade the parrot. You know what the thing is about the parrot? They only have like 2 hearts. This is crazy. Wait, this is actually crazy. Jerry, how about you go for
Oh, shoot!
Hey Frank, you got minutes left. Since it's chill like that, I'll tell you this much. Daisy is yeah, you did. That's right, you got merch, right?
We got merch. Is there any brand merch?
Is there cherry merch?
We got merch. Is there any brand merch?
Is there cherry merch?
Wait a minute. Hey, why are you mimicking me?
Tô fazendo lobby pra... cai! Nhão, nhão, nhão. Nhão. Nhão, nhão, nhão. Nhão, nhão, nhão. Nhão, nhão, bugou tudo. Vamos ver. Vamos ver. Então, espaço para lá. Misericórdia. Peraí, esqueci. Tava fazendo. Bora pegar um aqui, ó. Que anda é esse?
If Chloe could survive 1 minute.
Uou. Desce no 8. Ah não, desce no 7. Desce no 7. Ai, eu tô quase. Desce no 6. Desce no 6. O quê? Eu acho que é. Isso aí. É isso, eu. Miau, 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 miau.